Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Western Digital My Passport 4TB external hard drive. This can connect either with USB 2, USB 3, or USB 3.2 Gen 1. So let's open up this bad boy. Here's your drive. Instructions. And USB cable. It's been a long time since I had a Western Digital passport. I've had bad luck in the past with them failing on me. I had two fail back to back. Sent it in for warranty. They sent me back a refurbished unit, and that one failed as well. So it's about 5 years since I had a passport. This is my third passport now. In 5 years, I finally decided to give Western Digital a try again and see what this one is like, because I definitely need extra storage. The SSD won't cut it right now. It's just too expensive. So I had to buy a hard drive for external video storage. So let's do some benchmarks on this bad boy. Okay, here's benchmarks using Crystal Diskmark. This is my MSI Raider laptop. 2 years old, USB 3.1 Gen 2. So here's the external Western Digital hard drive. So typical read-write speeds for a hard drive. Comparing that to my external Samsung SSD, you can see they're quite a bit higher. But the problem is the Samsung 1TB SSD still going for over $200 Canadian for 1TB. I think it's around $270 still. Whereas Western Digital 4TB hard drive is only $129, so you really can't go wrong. You're getting more bang for your buck with an external hard drive. So let's do some real-life tests, copying files to the hard drive. Alright, so we've seen benchmarks on the Western Digital 4TB drive. Let's do a copy test on a 30GB folder to the drive and see what kind of write speeds we get. So again, around 100 megabytes a second. I'm using a MSI Raider laptop. The C drive is a SSD, but the D drive in there is a 7200 RPM hard drive for my D drive, and that's what we're copying from. We're copying from a hard drive to the Western Digital external hard drive. So it's the typical speeds for an external hard drive. Nothing spectacular. They do classify the USB cable as a high-speed USB cable or super speed USB cable, but it's kind of misleading. It's just basically a USB 3 cable. It's no big deal, and you're not going to see real fast read and writes unless you have an SSD. So they're hanging in roughly around 100 megabytes a second. So I've only used the drive for about 2 hours, so I really can't give it a real life situation workout here. It's going to take probably a couple months to figure out whether this is a good drive or not. In the past, I've had 2 Western Digital passports fail on me back to back, and that turned me off on Western Digital. I didn't want to buy Western Digital ever again, but a little over a year ago, I purchased 2 external SSDs for backup, but they're expensive, and they haven't come down in price yet. So I need something for storing massive amounts of data, and the most cost-effective way is an external hard drive. So I decided to give Western Digital a try again to see what happens. It does come with a 3-year warranty if anything goes wrong. I'll put links to Amazon below if you want to check it out, what it's going for in your country. So that's my review of the Western Digital 4 terabyte external hard drive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.